Okay? And she is not 7 feet, but she's very happy because he comes to visit her a lot. Okay. Now, they're both your customers. And you're going to design 2 different programs for them. For her, your average customer, you take her weight in kilograms, and you multiply times 1. This is your average customer. In 10 seconds, you did their nutrition program. She says, how much protein do I need? You're an Herbalife wellness coach. She's 65 kgs. Multiplied by 1, she needs 65 grams a day. Now, Yao Ming has a lot of muscle. He's a big guy. He needs a lot of protein. This is not going to be enough. So, you're going to take Yao Ming's weight in kilograms. Okay, he must be about, I don't know, 150. He must be about, say 100 would be 220, 200 would be 4. He's probably about 130 kilograms. Maybe 120? Okay, let's say it's 125. We're going to multiply it by 2. So he needs 250 grams of protein every day. Basically, you take the weight in kilograms, I should say, sorry. You take Yao Ming's weight in kilograms, or any athlete, or any active person, and you multiply it by 2. All of your customers are going to fall in this range. Very, very easy to do. This is all Dr. Heber's science, his philosophy. Think about a spectrum. A little grandmother who's not active, watches all of the NBA basketball games on television all day. Okay, and then Yao Ming, active all day, 4 or 5 hours a day. How much protein? Kilograms times 1. Okay, and then a sports person, 8 kilograms times 2. Easy way to do their program. Now it just so happens, let's say I'm 95 kilos. I'm active. I need every day 95 times 2. 190 grams of protein. Very safe on the kidneys. Because half of the protein comes from plants, half from animals. So we went to lunch, I had some chicken, I had some beef and pork. So that's half my animal protein. This morning I had 2 shakes. Today I'll probably have 2 more. That's going to be my plant protein from soybean. And I'll probably have some rice and some noodles. Rice proteins from plants. So I have a balance. So here I am. Not as big as Yao Ming. But I'm going to get 190 grams from me. I'm going to have 4 shakes. Each shake is 20 grams of protein. But I put a scoop of protein in there. And my protein scoop has about 5 grams of protein.
咁而每一個加能蛋白粉咧，大概5克蛋白。
So that's 25
變咗就一杯就25克咯。
times 4,
乘4
100 grams
100克
from the plant protein.
來自植物蛋白。
Okay? Does that make sense?
係咪？
Now, I'm going to have my chicken and my beef
我又食雞啦，又食牛啦。
for lunch and dinner.
午餐晚餐都食。
And that'll be about 100 grams from the animal protein.
咁而來自動物嘅蛋白質係大概100克。
So very easily,
好容易。
I've got my 190 grams.
咁我就可以攝取到190克嘅蛋白質啦。
Now for Yao Ming's grandmother,
咁姚明嘅祖母，
maybe she only needs about 65, 70 grams.
佢大概需要65啊70克就得啦。
Okay, that would mean, let's say you give her 1 shake
咁即係你俾佢飲一杯營養蛋白素
for breakfast
早餐啦。
with 2 scoops of Formula 1,
2殼嘅營養蛋白素，
maybe another shake for lunch,
晏晝亦都係咁樣飲多另一杯，
2 scoops of Formula 1.
亦都係2殼嘅營養蛋白素。
That's 20 and 20, 40 grams.
20加20克咪40克咯。
And then, let's say for dinner, she can have some rice, some noodles,
咁晚餐我食下麵啊，食下飯，
and a little bit of chicken.
食啲雞，
Easily going to give her another 25 grams.
好容易咧就攝取到另外嗰25克嘅蛋白質咯。
65 grams.
65克。
Now, Dr. Heber says, okay, this is really complicated.
咁啊，當 Heber 話其實計下咧都似有啲複雜喎。
Dr. Heber says, this is my science, but I don't want you to worry about that.
佢就話：嗱，呢個就係我科學嘅根據，但係你哋唔使花咁多心思去到咁複雜。
So Dr. Heber says, let's keep it really, really simple.
當 Heber 就話：不如再簡單啲咯。
He says, with every woman,
不如每一個女性，
give her at least 75,
女性咧起碼要75克，
and every man,
而每一個男性
give him 100.
就每100克蛋白質。
This is how Dr. Heber makes it really easy.
咁啊，當 Heber 令到咧成件事更加簡單啦。
Because he doesn't want you to have to work and calculate and all that stuff.
因為佢唔想我哋計嚟計去。
So he says, if you have a woman, put them on 75 grams, a man 100. Every day.
佢就當 Heber 就話得啦，女性咧你全部俾佢食75克蛋白質一日，男性就100克。
And then if you have an athlete, just keep increasing a little bit.
咁如果係運動員嘅話，就再加多啲。
Because he wants you to not worry too much about calculations.
因為唔想我哋咧啲日到黑咁計嚟計去咁樣。
But for the people who have very technical customers,
咁但係如果你個客戶自己本身有啲技術嘅背景咧，
okay, this helps that you can calculate it by times 1 or times 2.
或者你可以教佢計咯，乘1乘2咯。
And remember, not everybody needs the protein powder.
記住啦，就唔係每一個人都需要加能蛋白粉。
Okay, so that's Formula 1. Does that help Formula 1?
嗱呢個咧就係營養蛋白素啦。
Okay, good, because I want to go through the core products that you use here.
咁咧講下其他產品啦。
Okay, how many folks like the aloe?
邊個中意蘆薈汁？
Great, all right.